Okay, so here we go. I'm trying to do this like, oh, all right, wait, yes, okay, cool. So I'm trying to do this like I would do like, like a Twitch stream or something cool like a YouTube live. So hey, like and subscribe, yo. Okay. So anyway, I have a handmade dice that I made just for you guys. Bam. Okay. It took me a while to craft this. It's out of beautiful plastic. But anyway, here's the basics of the dice. So here's what you do. To check to see if your dice is fair, what you do is you say, okay, I have 6 sides. And I'm going to pick a side at random. Well, my favorite number is 2. So I want the probability of rolling a 2. Now remember, we have 2 kinds of probability. We have theoretical, which is if you just live in a math class. So that would be 1 out of 6, because there's 1 that we want and 6 sides that we could have or we could roll. Okay? Now, this time we need the experimental. Now, what's cool about the experimental probability is that if you just take one experiment, like a 5, okay, then according to this, I have a 0 in 6 probability of ever rolling 2, because I only have one roll. So, what I need to do is roll more and more and more and more. And then my experimental probability will eventually match my theoretical probability. Okay, let's check it out. So now what I'm going to ask you to do is do a ton of rolls, like at least 30 or something. Okay, so we're going to do this. Oh, we got a 2. Awesome. 2, 1. And I'm just rolling. Now my rolls aren't the best. I don't have good roll technique. And then when I finish up this 4 rolls, man, I've gotten a 6 or a 4 yet. That is interesting. Maybe I'm not good at rolling. Oh, there's a 6. And you can have your table of values look whatever you want. The order of your values does not matter. I have not gotten a 4 yet. That is ridiculous. Where's the 4? Is there a 4? Oh, yeah, there's a 4 on this dice. There's a 3. I'll do, I don't know, 5 more rolls. Okay, 4 more rolls left. Because I said so. Great. So now what I'm going to do is something that you don't have to do at all. But this kind of helps illustrate my point. So what I want to check for is the probability of rolling a 2. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to break this apart into a couple different pieces. We're just going to look at the first 4 rolls. Then we're going to look at the next 8 rolls. Do I have any other colors here for my markers? I do. You're lucky. Then next 4, and then hopefully we'll see something cool. Okay? So let's look at the first 4 first. Okay? So let's see here. Right now we have 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4 rolls. So my probability of rolling a 2 is 1 in 4. Then I have 1, 2, 3 2 out of 8 rolls. Okay? Then I have 1, 2, 3 2s out of 4 more. 12 rolls, which simplifies down into 1 to 4. And then, if I go brown, my brown marker, there it is. I add 2 more 2s, so that's 5 out of 14. Okay? So now, do you notice how my experimental probability is changing as I go. Now, if I want total, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 twos out of 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 32. Or if I wanted to reduce it, we get a, oh, cool, 1 in 4. Okay. Now this isn't exactly what I wanted. This is showing me this is kind of a wonky dice, or maybe I'm just bad at rolling, or maybe my surface is bad. But if you wanted to transfer this, you can use a calculator, and you know that 1 over 4 is 0.25, or a 25% chance. Okay. Next, 3/8 is 3 over 8, or 0.325, like 375, sorry, like that, which is a 37.5% chance. Okay. Then, same thing, 1/4, 0.25, 25%. Okay. And then 5 over 14. I need my calculator for that. Hold on a second. Let me get one. Do so I'm 5 divided by 14. And then I get a 0.357, or a 35.7% chance. So the experimental probability changes the more that I roll, which makes sense. Now, ideally, what will happen is the more experiments I do, the more I get to the theoretical probability, which is 1 over 6, which is about a 16% chance. Okay? So this is what I want you to have. I want you to have this table, and I want you to have that, and I want you to also, if you can, tell me the percentage. Okay? Excellent. Well, I hope you have fun and enjoy yourself. This is a little fun project.